Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's Vechain update for Friday 19th of August, and we are looking at Vechain coming down, dropping down. Probably it's time to finally kiss the bulls goodbye. So it was good as long as it lasted. So let's go back to one of previous recap and what is happening in the market right now. So we did have this pattern right now, and that pattern went down like this, zigzag, boom, break it out, made a fake out, and then came down. So I was looking this one to trade it. I actually did make an entry. My stop loss got taken away, 2% loss out of it. But the thing is that, what makes you a great trader is that you take a small loss to prevent a bigger loss. So this is what my loss looked like. Okay, so that was like 2% down there, 2.1%, and then I took 2% to basically save myself from this 15% drop, right? And everyone on my signals actually know about this, and we did try to trade it. We didn't get successful. You probably might know about this one as well on the channel. I told you this is going to be a pattern, but you always trade at the retest. If the retest holds, you're going to be lucky. If the retest doesn't hold, well, you do have a stop loss, you do have a risk management, you can take a very small tiny loss. It's always worth the risk to buy near the retest. If you get lucky, the patterns always plays out. So it's pretty much what it is. Now enough with this talking about the buying and selling. Let's dive into the weekly time frame. Now the daily has 3 black crows. The weekly has this level that you actually fail to cross. Now you see there's a saucer bottom down here. Actually it's up somewhere here, and that was the main point of rejection. So this was rejection here, went down, make a saucer, rounded bottom, went up, and actually got rejected there. So it's meaningless if you're making a bullish pattern and you're not breaking it to actually back test it. Let's bring in the EMAs and let's talk about the EMAs. So you actually went nearly the 20, got rejected. Now you're turning again below the 10 EMA. The last time you did was up here. You did the same thing, you went up, and this is what happened. So if the same scenario happens once again for Vechain, so what are we looking at up to? I'm actually gonna take this bars pattern and duplicate this scenario from there to there, and if history repeats itself, what we had up there, then we might be looking for Vechain to basically drop down to 0.01076, and that's going to be a drop down to almost nearly from there to there. We're talking about 58-59% move. And keep in mind, if I do remove this one, we are forming a evening star here on a weekly time frame, and in 2 days this red candle is going to close. So combining these 3 candlesticks, we have an evening star, and that's going to be bad, and we're looking to actually drop really badly for Vechain as well. So that's pretty much it. I do expect next week to be red and down. Probably this whole month can actually be down, and next month can also be down based on what I'm looking at the data on a weekly time frame. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.